Hey, it's Chris with ROE Dental Laboratory, and today's video is going to be on the miniComfort, a very unique product, nice mandibular guard, and very comfortable to wear. And we have two thicknesses for this guard. One is a 1 millimeter and one is a 1.5 millimeter thickness. We get questions all the time, which one is the daytime one, which one's the nighttime. Typically, for the daytime use, we have the 1 millimeter thickness because, again, it's thinner, flexible, and very easy for the patient to get used to talking during the day. If they're a pretty heavy grinder, pretty heavy bruxer, you can use the 1.5 millimeter during the day too, but typically it's the 1 millimeter for the day, and then the nighttime is the 1.5 millimeter miniComfort, and that's, again, for bruxing, grinding, clenching at night. If they're a big bruxer, big grinder, this is a soft material. There's a chance they could grind and brux right through it, but that's going to lead you to another conversation about what options are out there for hard guards, and you can actually find those on our website as well. But for the miniComfort, two options: 1 millimeter, 1.5 millimeter thickness, very comfortable during the day, and it can be worn at night as well. Any questions on the miniComfort or any of our products, check us out at our website, which is listed below. Any questions, you can also address those in the comments. Leave them there and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. And also, please subscribe to our YouTube channel to learn more about all the products we have out there.